Following Russia's annexation of Ukraine's Crimean Peninsula, under the false pretense of protecting ethnic Russians, the autonomous Black Sea territory is set to determine its future in a referendum on March 16, except that voters are set to be given just one choice: a future with Russia. The ballot paper gives two options: vote to support Crimea joining Russia, or vote to declare Crimea independent from Ukraine, rendering it a Russian puppet state. There is no option to retain the status quo, in which the Crimean Republic enjoys great autonomy, but remains part of Ukraine. It's also unlikely that conditions on the day of the ballot will be fair. Widespread electoral fraud is likely after international observers, including the OSCE, were banned from entering Crimea, while reports indicate that 2.5 million ballot papers have been printed, despite registered voters totaling 1.5 million. Crimea's native Tatars have announced they will be boycotting the plebiscite, which has already been moved forward twice, likely under orders from the Kremlin. Crimea's fate is now virtually sealed, with Vladimir Putin's rule by terror set to become a daily reality for citizens of the Black Sea Peninsula.